here how it's supposed to work. Well, what if I just use these? There's two of them perfectly located.
Two? What do you mean two?
Well, there's this one. And there's another one up there.
Could you widen it?
I could drill.
But just hold it there and just... Yeah.
What I'll do is I'll do it like that. And then we're going to bolt these right into the Utemaster using their existing bolts and holes and spacers. So all we had to do is we actually just had to drill out the spray box brackets slightly wider, slightly larger hole so that the existing Utemaster bolt will fit right in. This way we don't have to cut anything. The next step that we should do is we should probably mount the spray box brackets, at least loosely, and get a sense of where they need to sit. So, according to the instructions, we need to hand tighten them. So we're going to use one of the number 10 bolts, a washer, and a nut to go on there. I don't need. Okay. Flip it around. So what we're going to do is we're going to find our perfect spot here for these. And while we're at it, we might as well take the other Utemaster bolt out. And that is my little dog is upset that she's not able to help. Aha. I'm going to put one of these backwards. I want to be able to get as close to the edge as possible, so this little bend that's in the top here is actually going to be quite good to get closer. Alright. We just line everything up. I'll hand tighten them right now. Take the other Utemaster off. Bolt. Got a backing plate.
That's awesome. Fits.
Yeah. So what we'll do, and since you can still get at them, I'm going to need a number. What are these things? These are number 10 screws. So if I give you one of these, you can go into my toolbox and find me a this is too easy. Alright, number 2. Perfect. Come on, look out. Thank you, sir. We're just going to need to get these covers here to make it all purty. So, there it is. That's the only way it's going to move is from the underneath, and that's not a worry. That was exactly one tool to do that. So, what I've still got to do here.
So explain the plates. See up here we have these plates.
Yep. We're going to need the contact spray box and get, they should have actually just included it, I think, in the case when you mount it on the other side, because right now on the side you can't see, it's got these beautiful checker plates covers on there. But you can't pop this one off because I would have thought this originally, we thought, oh, we'll just rip them off and re-glue them, but it's obviously mirrored so it doesn't fit. This one would fit, but that one wouldn't. So I'm just going to get them to send me a couple more. But that should be fine. So these are simple. These are just going to screw in here, and I just need a bolt to like a Phillips. There's a big instruction piece about how to install if you don't already have a PowerPoint in the back of the truck. Luckily, I anticipated that and had a PowerPoint installed when I bought the truck. Now, it's quite a common thing on most trucks now to actually have this, so it's just that it sucked that it wasn't installed on that side. But that's okay. So here's the complicated part. I have to... Did it. Alright. So now, all this rubbish has to go away and hidden somehow. So, fortunately, it's easy. Next, let's make sure it's off. Yep. Okay. I guess we'll just fill it with some water now and see what happens. Theoretically, it should all just we've got great clearances on everything. It's fine. Probably the second most complicated part of the installation is actually putting on the spray box logo on the other side. So, there, done. Now my wife's going to tell me that's crooked. That's all right. She's not here. So, let's put some water in this beast. See what happens.
Ready?
Yeah. I'm not sure if this is going to work without the... Yes, it does. go. That's adjustable to get a finer spray or wider. Oh, fantastic.